Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing when you're feeling stuck.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoy the video, make sure you If you enjoy the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so my video can reach more people. So, I have been actually getting kind of stuck on making videos and what videos I should upload because number one, I want my videos to be helpful and I want every video to be something that you can learn from, and so I've been struggling. So today I did make a post on my Facebook of what I should post, but I didn't want to wait any longer. So then I asked my sister and she helped me. And I'm not doing what she told me to do, but what she said helped me decide what I am going to do, if that makes any sense. So I am going to be discussing feeling stuck because currently I have been feeling stuck for like the past 2 weeks, actually probably 3 weeks. I've been feeling stuck, like there's something more that I should be doing, like I should be going somewhere else and not just staying here in Georgia. Like I should be going to more places and experiencing more. And so that's why I've been feeling stuck. And then I thought about it yesterday when I was talking to my sister about it. And I was like, I wonder if it's because I usually don't stay in one spot for longer than a year. And so when I say that, I mean like I usually either go to a different state or I move into a new apartment. And so, yes, I haven't been in this house for like a year because I came from Florida. But now it's feeling like I shouldn't be in the States anymore. Like I should be traveling again. And that's what I really want to do. I want to travel and I want to continue my business, of course, and continue YouTube videos, of course, but I want to travel the world while doing it, meeting new people and experiencing different cultures. It's like I'm craving it. So what I have been doing to help myself with feeling stuck is trying to completely understand why it is that I'm feeling stuck and telling myself that it's okay to be where I am right now and that I am still doing some important things here. The world just isn't ready for all of us to begin traveling outside of the country right now, and I need to just accept that. This is where I am and just appreciate that I'm alive and appreciate what I do have around me and get outside more often. Because when I'm traveling, this could be it. It's because of the fact that when I'm traveling, I'm meeting new people, having and creating new experiences. And I'm outside pretty much the whole time, like literally the whole time. Because the places where I was sleeping, it wasn't necessarily indoors all the time. Where I would spend my days was not indoors, it was always outside. And so I get weird sometimes having to always be in the house, and because I'm working on my business, I have been staying in the house more so than not, and I do get bored seeing the same things all the time, but I'm trying to appreciate what it is that I am seeing, and that is something that I recommend you do as well. If you're feeling stuck or just bored with life, try something new. And one thing my sister said that I should talk about was going and visiting new places. And the reason why I wasn't going to say that was because I feel like I've already made a video on that. I'm like pretty sure I made a video on it, but I'm going to say it anyways. So go places that are near your home if you can't afford to go further, or if COVID just won't let you go any further. Find some fun things to do near you. Find a trail near you. Find a nearby city that you can drive to or catch a train to. There are different things that you can do to have a fulfilling life, even if money is either standing in your way or COVID is standing in your way. Try to appreciate what you do have while also being open and willing to do something slightly different, even if it's not completely different. And just get outside more often, because being outside makes all the difference. When the sun hits your skin, it's like heaven, and it just makes you feel so much happier. I hope that this video was helpful in some kind of way, because that's always my goal when I create videos. Like I said in the beginning, is to help you in some way, help you with your personal growth and development. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you got something from this. It wasn't really organized, and I literally just thought of it like a few minutes ago. So I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that you got something from it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. I upload Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, so stay tuned for the next video, and also stay tuned for the recommended videos after. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. If you're looking for a one-on-one coaching, or just trying to improve your personal development, and you need guidance, a safe space, and somebody to deliver a different perspective and push you out of your comfort zone, check the link in the description below, so that way you can book your free connection call with me, and we can figure out what your goals are and help you achieve the goals that you have to live the life that you want. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Enjoy your day, and speak kindly to yourself and others. And always, always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
So growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.